On April the 10th, CECOMP will celebrate its 40th anniversary. The company was founded by my father in 1978. Initially, the business was linked to Giugiaro. Then in 1978, CECOMP was founded with Giugiaro and Mantovani as partners. The partnership with Tebis started in the early years of the 1990s. At that time, the company had started using the first CNC machines, and so it was necessary to find suitable software both for the completion of processes, that is 3D surfaces, and for the toolpaths of machine tools. In this regard, Tebis proved to be the most effective and complete software solution.
CECOMP came into contact with Tebis for the first time in 1992, the year Tebis Italy was founded. That year, Giovanni Forneris had introduced in the factory some 5-axis milling machines of the latest generation to produce models, and was looking for a CAD/CAM software solution that could be used to manage those machines. Tebis was able to find the right solution. That first encounter was the start of a partnership that has lasted for over 25 years, and which essentially owes its fortune to 2 factors: CECOMP's entrepreneurial foresight and the company's ability to develop innovative technologies, and Tebis's ability to support this drive to innovation with new solutions, technologically advanced, but at the same time flexible. Tebis introduced in CECOMP a complete 3D laser cutting solution that's ideal for the Prima Industria machines used in the shop floor.
Thanks to Tebis software and the machinery, our daily challenge is the improvement of production times, the improvement of quality, achieving the best results with a software solution that allows us to work at this level. Our strengths are high-performing CNC programming and getting quick responses from our suppliers, Tebis, Prima Industria and milling machines builders. Together, we can reach the required results every day and satisfy our customers.
Prima Industria lavora con CECOMP da più di 15 anni. In tutto questo tempo
Prima Industria has been working with CECOMP for more than 15 years, and in all this time, they've assisted the client in his laser cutting operations. Initially, laser technology was mainly used only for the production of prototypes. Today, instead, it's also used for mass production. In recent years, Prima Industria has developed some new 3D laser cutting machines in order to meet the needs of clients who need to combine the typical flexibility of laser cutting with the typical productivity and reliability of mass production. In this context, it was extremely important the work we did with Tebis, which is our supplier for CAD/CAM systems, for the offline programming of machines. We went from the 3-dimensional design of the pieces to the program, starting production without the need for subsequent adjustments.
Al programma per iniziare la produzione senza la necessità di successivi aggiustamenti.
Today, if you want to keep a strong position in the market, the watchword is process optimization. When we say automation, we mean the coordination and management of all production processes through a single interface, using a single template and process libraries. Programming with Virtual Machine offers the immense advantage of being able to manage very complex parts and machines in a completely safe way, thus making it possible to manage unmanned machining process.
Così la strada ha la possibilità di gestire cicli di lavoro non presidiato.
The customer provides us a CAD file which contains the model of the car's bodywork we have to produce. Thanks to the Tebis software and using the appropriate machines, we're able to cut, define, bore and mill all the components within the specific tolerances. The typical customer of the Industry 4.0 of POBusy produces classy vehicles, premium cars. The reference material used in this factory is aluminium. We don't use steel, only aluminium. Our clients come to us because they know they can get an answer as quickly as possible, and that's another important point. Instant quality at a cost that is really lower than average.
intorno agli anni 2000 abbiamo anche introdotto.
In the 2000s, we also introduced laser cutting in the production line. Today, I think that the company target is to start using Tebis also for the integration and the optimization of some other processes. Industry 4.0 is an element of absolute importance for the growth of our company. We invested a lot in this, with a major investment in the factory of Tebis, where we have a completely interconnected process linked to a software that manages it. This way you can have a competitive and high-quality final product without any faults.
Finale con zero difetti, competitivo e di alta qualità.
Oggi Tebis è in grado di offrire una soluzione.
Today, Tebis is able to provide a complete solution for those companies who want to enter the world of Industry 4.0. In fact, the most recent acquisition in our product portfolio is Prolife, a complete system for manufacturing, planning and control, specifically designed and developed for single parts manufacturing. Thanks to the close integration between Prolife and the Tebis software, it's possible to manage the entire order, scheduling all manufacturing steps and resources, managing production data, warehouse logistics, tool provisioning, and connecting to the company ERP systems.
La logistica di magazzino, l'approvvigionamento utensili e dialogare con l'ERP aziendale.